G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the rod change detent ball for a classic Mini or Moke. So this detent ball is only available for a rod change classic Mini or Moke. So if you have a magic wand or a remote, this does not apply to you. This is also accompanied with a spring and goes on the right-hand side of the diff housing. So as you take the diff housing off on the side where the side diff seal is, you have a spring, you pull the spring out, and then in goes this little sucker of a bearing. Now what this does is this enables you to stay in gear whilst you're driving. So if you fail to put this in or it's not correctly tensioned, you'll find as you drive it will immediately jump out of gear because there's nothing holding it in there. This is a very easy thing to replace when you have the gearbox apart or even just doing any sort of resealing job. Super common to lose these as well as the spring. So if you're pulling your gearbox apart, you might as well go and replace these while you're there. Just make sure you've got a couple of spares along with an extra spring. There is an O-ring as well that you do need to run on the outside, so make sure that you replace that when you're pulling it apart. Make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.